So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I got a smile on my face today and I'm pretty excited because we got the opportunity today to try out the Stihl MS 462 CM chainsaw. Now those 4 cuts that you just saw me make, that is the first that I've run this saw, and I'm telling you what, I'm blown away. This is a 72cc chainsaw, yet it only weighs in at about 13.2 pounds, so it is just slightly heavier than the MS 362 that I'm used to running. This has a 20-inch bar on it right now, a 70cc class saw with a 20-inch bar. It rips. I'm telling you what, the thing comes to life so quick too. It gets up to speed like instantly. But what we're going to be trying it out on today is this cherry log right here. This log measures about, it's about 15 inches in diameter. Good solid cherry. Got to sacrifice a little bit here to try out the new saw. But I'm going to run it a little bit more here, and then we'll kind of go over it in a little bit more detail and talk a little bit more about it. Holy smokes. That is fast. Let's take a look under the hood here. They sure packed a lot of engine into a small space. Now if you notice, this has wires, and there's actually a port on this saw. I don't know if you can see that. You can plug this into a laptop. The Stihl dealers have that set up for diagnostics, and you can tune it, things like that. But the M-tronic system, I'm not real familiar with it. My old 036 Pro did not have M-tronic, so this basically has a brain. Now I'm going to read right from Stihl's website. But the M-tronic is an engine management system, electronically controls the ignition timing, fuel metering in any condition. It factors in altitude, fuel quantity, and the system provides professionals with optimum performance, whether you're just starting to work or you're resuming after a break. So you could like take this saw and be cutting, you know, next to the ocean at sea level, and in the morning, and go that afternoon to 10,000 feet elevation on top of a mountain, and this saw will automatically adjust to the altitude and the environment you're in. Like I said, I'm not real, got a phone call there. Like I said, I'm not real familiar with the M-tronics, but I will tell you this saw is screaming fast. I can't get over how quick it responds. The torque, I'm gonna run it again here. Ready to go.
Yeah.
All right, this is the MS 362 that I use all the time. I love this saw. Very fast, it's light, very easy to handle and maneuver, works really, really well. This is the new MS 462 that we're just talking about today. Now, if you notice, this appears to be just a little bit bigger in physical size, but it really doesn't matter because they weigh almost exactly the same. But with this 462, you get, I don't know, another 10 or 12 cc engine, and it is noticeably faster than this saw here. I thought this was the bee's knees right here. I really did, and it is a great saw, don't get me wrong. But for about the same weight, although this is more money, you know what I mean? So you have to ask yourself, you know what I'll do the next video? I think what I'll do a comparison to see how much faster this 462 is than the 362. Either way, I don't think you can go wrong with either one of them. But I'm telling you what, this thing blew me away. I never know what to title a video until I'm done with it and I edit it. I think today's video is going to be called, let me think, Game Changer, MS 462 CM. Because I really believe a 70cc saw in that light of a package would be very useful for a lot of people. I really do. That thing rips. It does. That's a lot of saw in a light package. It really is. That's pretty nice. This is not my saw, by the way. This is a demo that I get to try out. I hope to have one day because it's a screamer. It really is. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.